Thank you to Merit Beauty for partnering with me on this video. They gifted me a few products and I'm going to show you guys first impression / review of them. It's Thanksgiving morning. I'm gonna get ready now. We're heading to a little Thanksgiving brunch, but I want to show you guys these new products I just got from Merit Beauty. This is the Great Skin Instant Glow Serum. This just looks really nice. The packaging on these products is very sleek. It looks so good. And then I also have the shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil, although I got the non-tinted shade Bel Air. Basically, it's more of like a clear, so that looks really nice. I'm gonna start with the Great Skin Instant Glow Serum. I just washed my face. I'm gonna put a little of this on, and I'm so happy because I feel like my skin's been clearing up recently. I had like a few breakouts like within the past couple months. So doing the same skincare routine with the adapalene gel and the benzoyl peroxide. And this is what my skin has been looking like. So I still have a few marks, but nothing crazy. I'm really happy about that. I would say my skin is kind of just in ebbs and flows. Breaks out every once in a while, but then using the skincare products that I've been doing help clear it up relatively quick. But back to this skin serum. This is so nice. Wow, it feels so light on the skin. I thought for a second it was maybe gonna feel oily, but it does not feel oily on my skin. This feels like a serum and a moisturizer in one. It feels so good. Wow. I absolutely love this Great Skin Serum. This is incredible. My skin feels so supple. It's instantly hydrated. This is a really nice product. I'm excited to see how it's going to pair underneath my makeup. The next product that I'm going to try out is the shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil. I got a more clear neutral color. This is in the shade Bel Air. The shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil, it's infused with rosehip oil and shea butter, so it's very moisturizing. And I get just a nice, kind of like lip gloss almost, but more moisturizing. It almost feels like if you were to sleep in this, your lips would just wake up feeling so luscious in the morning. I have multiple shades that you can get this in. I went for this more clear shade, and it feels so good. It doesn't feel like a sticky, tacky lip gloss. It feels like exactly what it is, which is a lip oil. I just love both of these products. Oh my god. These are so good. If you guys are interested in buying any of these Merit Beauty products, I will have a link down below and some more information. The Great Skin Instant Glow Serum, and then the shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil and the shade Bel Air they have some other colors if you guys want to check that out as well. All of the items I'm showing in today's video are included in this current sale right now going on at Merit Beauty, and your first order will ship in their signature makeup bag. These products are very hydrating and very lightweight, which I absolutely love. It just feels so nice on the skin. They give a very natural look to your face. So if you guys want to shop these or other Merit Beauty products, I will have a link down below. And this is Merit Beauty's only sale of the year, 20% off right now through November 28th for the Black Friday weekend. Definitely don't want to miss that. If you guys want to get these products, I highly recommend going for them now this weekend while they're on sale. They're also doing daily doorbusters, so some more fun sales thrown in there. I will have everything linked in the description box. Very impressed with my first impression using these. I look forward to using these more, especially as we get into the colder months, because I just love having extra moisture to my skin, but without it feeling really heavy. So these are awesome. So now that I just did my little skin prep, I'm gonna put a little makeup on, and then we're gonna head out to our little Thanksgiving brunch. greasy, so I just threw some quick curls in it. Gonna head out now to the brunch and have a nice Thanksgiving day. We just got back from the brunch and I curled my hair before we went and then I threw it in the clip while we were there. Now I feel like it gave me the effect of rollers and I love it so much. I just put it in like a twisted little bun in the back of my head, clipped it with a claw clip and took it out, brushed it through, and now it looks like I have a like rollers blowout. So love that. We're gonna start cooking Thanksgiving dinner now. We took a walk before, that was nice. We're on mac and cheese and asparagus duty, so he's gonna grill asparagus and then I'm gonna make mac and cheese. So it should be good.